Here we go again. Reform the police. This one here is just ridiculous. This is the reason why my community feel like the police force is an occupying army within our community. They not there to serve and protect us. Yeah, they catch the bad guys, some bad guys, and some black people that's labeled as bad guys. But this is the kind of shit we be speaking on when we talk about reform the police. Y'all know my position on the police. They're necessary evil. We can't defund them, but goddamn, we gotta get these motherfuckers out of here. Sparking outrage. Philadelphia cop harasses man, follows him, and arrests him for no reason. Then yell world star. I did my little research on Twitter. His name, Officer Hoover. A Philadelphia police officer is sparking outrage online after he was filmed harassing a black man who was concerned about being followed. Officer Hoover never stopped directing insults and threatening questions at Gabriel. Gabriel claims he began filming after he left a relative's house in a Poplar neighborhood and noticed he was being followed on foot. As soon as the posted recording begins, the officer approaches and attempts to take a selfie with his homie, who declines. Let's get into this.
Gabriel was leaving his aunt's home where he lives on New Year's, and as he left, he noticed a few officers of the Philly Police Department. Officer Hoover appeared to be following him, so he pulled out his phone to start recording.
I got my camera. Take selfies. Come on, I need your selfie. Come on, homie. Look at me and my homie right here.
I'm not your homie.
No, look at this guy. Look at me and my homie.
Sir, can you please back up?
What's up?
Can you please back up, sir? I'm asking you politely. Can you please back up?
I'm not asking
if I'm not committing a crime or anything in that
sort. Who said I'm committing a crime? You want to take a picture?
Back up?
I thought you want to take a picture. Oh, you just ran into a hole.
I'm sick, yeah, because you're scaring me. I don't want to get shot. I'm black. Please back up. Please back up.
I'm allowed to be here. It's a free country.
All right, me too.
Why are you chasing me around then?
I'm not chasing you around. If you move and you follow me. No, I do not.
You don't need me for anything?
No.
Why are you still here? Walk away.
I am walking away. Why are you following me?
Why are you
Your car is back here. Because I can't. It's a neighborhood. I gotta live down here.
Why do you live down here? You don't live down here.
Okay, let you tell it.
You don't live down here.
Okay, let you tell it.
Boy, you don't live down here.
Let you tell it.
Boy, where you?
Pause. The moment the officer get in with that boy shit, or any white people get in with that boy shit, they know they mean intentionally to offend you and insult you. Boy. I'm gonna go back a little bit so you can feel the intent behind his words.
I gotta live down here.
Why do you live down here? You don't live down here.
Okay, let you tell it.
You don't live down here.
Okay, let you tell it.
Boy, you don't live down here.
Let you tell it.
Boy, where you from?
None of your business.
Where you from?
No more.
Because you ain't from down here.
Okay.
You ain't from down here.
Okay. Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
That's right there, dog.
Thank you.
You got it?
Yep,
You got
thank
it?
you.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Why are you putting a light on my face, sir?
Look.
Can
You
you
don't
please
light on me, I'm
call
putting a light
my
on you. It's fair.
I don't gotta give you my name.
All right, don't give me your name. Get out of here.
No, you follow
Bye.
me. No, bye. You follow
I'll stay
me.
here all day.
All right, me too. Excuse me, sir. You're back and
I'll
you're
stay
trying
here
to
all
bump
day.
into
I'll
me.
stay here all day.
All right, me too. I'm not, bro. I'm recording it too, bro. You just doing it. Well, what is your reason of doing this?
Standing here?
No, you're following me. If I'm walking away,
Walk away.
I start recording.
Watch you walk
back in the
away, I'm gonna
circle.
stand right here.
All right, thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Bye.
Congratulations, you.
Bye. Bye.
Look at you.
Bye. 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 Bro, you don't got entry. It's the Fifth Amendment, right? Bye.
Fifth?
It's like one of them.
Fifth Amendment?
No, it's not the fifth. It's the second. I'm wrong.
Stupid to insult.
All right, bye.
Walk up on me.
I'm not walking up on you. Bye. Yeah. Crossing the street. Bye, dummy.
Gabriel tells Officer Hoover that he is going back to his cousin's house to make his intentions clear, but Officer Hoover seems to be intentionally placing himself in Gabriel's path.
I got family in here. I'm going back to my cousin's house. I feel threatened. I'm not walking up on you.
Like I said.
I'm not walking up on you. I'm crossing the street. And if you cross the street and follow me, then you follow behind me. I got family down here. I could walk down here. I got family down here. All right, then do that.
Get that World Star out.
Okay.
World Star.
I'm walking right now. I'm walking to my aunt's house. I feel threatened. Then I'm gonna call an Uber and then leave. At this moment, I am now recording him just to show that I am not doing anything threatening to him or anything in that nature. I'm not following you. I'm walking to my aunt's. Why are you following me? I'm not following you. I told you.
If y'all don't think this is bad policing, and the fact that this police officer don't know what the Fifth Amendment is, he harassing, following, you know what I'm saying? He's just like a dog with a bone. Like, regardless of this is not police procedure or policy, I just got it in my spirit right now to fuck with this dude. Bro, and if y'all think this is not a regular occurrence, I think every black community got that legendary bad officer that's like got such a bad rep that everybody in the hood know who he is. Like Master P had Officer Friendly in that movie Unbothered from back in the G. You know, beating in Baton Rouge that had a cop. Bruh stupid. Everybody in Baton Rouge know bruh stupid. Even Boosie said something about bruh stupid in a couple of his raps. That dude there, whoo. Even had a dude called Wolf. Nigga put a wolf pack on you. That means he'll set you up with some fucking, put some drugs on you, put you in jail. Like everybody know these cops. So y'all think this kind of harassment, this is what we be talking about when we want reform the police, how we feel about police. They're occupying force within our community. Because shit, y'all don't look at us like humans. You don't treat us like that either. Well, this is your boy King Down 225 with another reactionary video. Hit that like, subscribe, become part of the kingdom. This is just sad.